Hello guys, we're back, and you never guess what just happened. I have finished the server. Well, at least now it's working. That's the biggest thing, I guess. The server's up. It's working. It's going great. The only problem is I need to set spawn points and get all that stuff ready and going and stuff. So basically, what this video is I'm gonna ask to have a few people on, probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 people on my server with me before it's actually released, in order to get everything built and ready and everything. That's what I'm doing right now. Is I'm asking you guys to help me out, my subscribers. Help me build this server so it's amazing, so everybody's gonna love it. So that's basically what I'm doing. But I needed to, of course, show you guys how to get on my server and things like that. But don't worry, the server's whitelisted right now, so you're not going to be able to get on it anyway, even if you try right now. The only people that are going to be allowed on it are the people that I choose. And there's only going to be a few, like I said, but I'm going to wait probably, it's Monday night right now at 7:13. When I'm recording this. It'll probably be uploaded later tonight or tomorrow morning, and I'll probably wait till Thursday or Friday till I pick some people. I'll let you guys know Thursday or Friday who I pick. Ask you if you can record with me on Saturday or Sunday, whatever works best, and everything. So leave in the comments if you want to come on and help me do some building. There's going to be a lot of tearing away of landscape, a lot of building small buildings here and there. We need to make a marketplace and all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of things to do. You just need to let me know if you're willing to help out with that. Unfortunately, I can't give you guys anything. Maybe I'll let you guys have a VIP pass for a certain amount of time. Once the server starts up, that could be something. I will give you guys credit, of course. At the spawn point, I'll put I had builders help me on that. So let's dive right in and figure out what you guys need in order to join my server. So because I'm at school, there's no way for me to port forward. So right there's a limitation as it is. But instead, I'm going to be using Hamachi, which is right here. So you can see there's my IP, which is what you need to put into for the server. But in order to join, you have to be part of one of these 8. Now I can make more of these fill up, but at least for the start, I only made 8. So each of these, you have to join up, and I will have to approve you in order to make sure that the people who I want on here, are gonna be okay. And if I do end up having to ban someone, I can take them off. That way, someone else can join as well. So you're gonna need the Hamachi, which is pretty simple. You can just go into any search engine and type in Hamachi, just like that. I normally go with the Hamachi download. It gets you a little bit more specific, and there it is, Hamachi download. This will work for you. Just open it up. Wow, this internet's really slow today. Okay, well, while that's loading up, this is another thing that you're going to need, because the bucket server is not updated to 1.4.7. It is not going to work. So you're going to need this multi-MC. So go ahead and click on this. Let's see how this is doing. Okay, so you're going to need this multi-MC. Basically what this does is it lets you have multiple Minecrafts on your computer, while also being able to not interlap them or anything. So it's really helpful. You can pick from any Minecraft version that there's been, I think all the way back to the alpha. I'll show you guys how this works later. So let's see let me see if I can find it. Here we go. Here's the download. You can download multi-MC. Just click on that and it'll take you to a nice little page here, which then, if you have Windows, click on it here. If you have Mac, click on that. And you have Linux, click on this. It's very self-explanatory. It tells you how to do all of that. I'm not going to get into how you download it, because it's very simple. You click on it, it takes you somewhere. I think it takes the AdFly. You click on the little link, and then basically just open it up. So that's simple. I'll make sure, well, I probably won't put a link in the description, but make sure you just go to google.com, there we go, and you just type in multi-MC, better if it's no space, helps if you spell it right too, and that's the one you want right there. That's the link. If you see that, that's what you need. Okay, so back to the Hamachi, click on this and everything. You come right on in here, and I think these are the correct ones. Click on these, yep, and it takes you to this, and I already have it, so I don't need to download it again, but you'll just click on that and boom, you'll have it, and you just need to set it up. So that's basically all that is. So let me get out of here. Now once you have the log me in and the multi-MC downloaded, this is where this is going to become important, so make sure you pay attention here. We'll start with the Hamachi first, because this is going to be the most important part. You want to go to network, join an existing network, and you want to, you want to type in Jedi number 001, and you'll be able to tell if it's full or not, because it'll give you rejection. So then just keep going down line 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll try and remember to put in the description which ones are full. So in the description of this video, I'll put which ones are already full and which ones you need to fill up. So you just type that in. I don't know if it'll let me do it because it is me. Make sure you've got capitals. And then it requires manual approval, so I'm going to have to approve everyone that joins in. And it'll say, would you like to submit a request for membership? Just click yes, and I'll get an email saying someone would like to join, and I can confirm it right there, as long as nothing seems to collide with each other. Like, as long as no one has doubled, tried to align up twice or anything, it'll go through just fine. So that's all you need for that. So you can get rid of that real quick. Now I already have one on my desktop, so I'm going to show you how this works. But I've already got one. So once you have this, it'll open up to this nice little window right here, and you want to just click on Add New Instance. It'll load all the versions of Minecraft, so this might take a little bit of time, depending on your computer. And here you go. These are all the different things that you can look at. You can even do snapshots that have already been put out, which is really nice. And I think as this goes up, if it goes up to 1.5, I think 1.2 gets taken off. I'm not sure, but you're gonna need 1.5. Okay, so go ahead and click on 1.5, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it delete because I've already got one. So once you have that up, if you double click on it in this box, it will open up Minecraft. But first, what you want to do is you want to make a shortcut. So you want to just right click on it and go to make desktop shortcut right there, and then you can call this whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it delete because I don't need it. And here it is. It'll make a nice new icon for you, and then all you have to do is you don't have to open this file every time you want to do a Minecraft. All you have to do is click on this, and it'll open it all up for you. Okay, then let me just delete this real quick. Then finally, lastly, what you need to do is obviously open up Minecraft. It'll do this whole, when you click on this, it'll do this whole thing. I just remember both of those because it's easier. It'll log you in. This little box will pop up. You can exit that box if you want. You don't need it. Just a little background thing. And then of course, obviously you won't name it my server, but this is going to be the IP address. It is whitelisted, so sorry if you're trying already to get on. It's not going to happen. I need to approve you first. But there you go. All you have to do is add server, name it whatever you want, and type in the IP address. 25.155.64.60, and that should work. No biggie. You can hide it if you want. Doesn't matter. I'm going to cancel because I've already got it. So there you go. That's how you get on. And that should cover everything. How to get onto my Hamachi. how to get a 1.5 version. And again, the reason for the 1.5 version is all of the development builds have not been made finaled with the bucket server. So I wanted to make sure we had a solid bucket server, so I went with the 1.4.5, which is the recommended version that you use. So there you go, that's how it all plays out. It's really, really simple. You don't have to worry about anything. It's super simple. And if you have any questions on, problems with Hamachi or problems getting the multi-MC running or anything like that, shoot me either a comment in this video or a PM message on YouTube. Just go to my channel and there's a little drop down box that you can click on send message. That's all you gotta do. Just do that for me, and I'll do what I can to help you out and everything. I'm not gonna disclose my Skype, but I do have a TeamSpeak as well, which I think runs through the same IP. I'm not sure. I can't remember how I set it up. But for those people who are going to be helping me out, get a TeamSpeak client, and I can then talk to you guys real easily. I don't really feel like using Skype because I don't want my personal Skype out there, because it's just kind of messy that way, and some bad things can happen. So it's just easier to use TeamSpeak 3 because there's no video, there's nothing like that, so it's not going to be a problem. It's just going to be talking to people. But I'll have to see how I set that up. I'm not completely sure, but I'll definitely make sure there's a way to talk to anyone who wants to help build with me. So make sure you guys download that. You can just find it on Google. It's really simple, very straightforward. But I just wanted to help you guys with that. Here I can show you the server real quick because might as well. Oh, I need to hit OK. So as you can see in here, there is a lot of plugins that I've been doing. I'm slowly getting used to them. I've never really used any plugins or anything, so getting used to them slowly. We'll definitely use those throughout the whole server. I want to make this a really nice server for you guys. I don't want it to be just some piece of crap or anything. So let me run my server. And let me refresh, and there we go. We should be able to log in now. So I'll just show you real quick what this is. Let me see if I can. There we go. So this is just the first thing that's been in. I know it's kind of small. Let me fix that. Find window, this window. So there you guys go. This is basically it. That's a little information stuff. There's some other things here. I'm not sure. Everyone should spawn inside there, but if not, there's a nice little button back here that'll bring you into the building so you can get to everything. So there's just rules and hints and tips. It's not finished yet. Like I said, I need people to help me. And then finally at the end, let me just do a time set 0. Finally at the end, there's a button and it'll teleport you here, which you can see, and this is where the city's going to be. So this is what I was talking about, this level that's kind of indented here. All of this needs to be taken off, and I don't care how you do it. TNT, I'm going to put you in creative mode, so you can do TNT, you can do anything you want, but it needs to be all leveled off because this is where the city's going to be built. I thought it'd be fun to build it up on a nice mountain like this, but it needs to be flattened, and that's what I need help with. And I also need help with building as well, because there's going to be a lot of different buildings here, a lot of different things to do. So I'm going to need some help. So if you have any experience with bucket servers and plugins, definitely shoot me a PM or a comment, and I'll definitely use you probably. And but if you just want to come on and help build and stuff like that, that's fine. All we gotta do is just clear all this stuff out real easy. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this nice little video. I really am excited about this whole server thing. I think it's going to be a great opportunity to get to know my subscribers and get to play with you guys out here on this game and have some fun. There'll be a lot of different things that we do. I'm hoping maybe to set up a spleef area or something like that, if I can figure out how. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, hit the favorite button, because that helps out a lot, and hit the share button and get it out there on all those social networks. That'll help out a lot. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. If you want to build, leave me a comment or PM message. A PM message would be preferred, but obviously some people don't know how to do that, and that's fine. Just leave me a comment and I'll get to you. That's for sure. So yeah, thanks a lot, and have a nice day. Goodbye.